lots of times you don't have to buy new spark plugs. And do note that the newer Bosch plugs are actually made in Russia and they aren't as good a quality as the old Bosch plugs. So I make a little cleaning tool to go down alongside the insulator. I use a piece of coat hanger wire. It's about the right shape, the right size I should say, and pound that out flat. And then you want to bend it to give it a little bit of curve. So that you have a scallop shape. Then I like heating this up first with your propane torch so that it actually burns off the oils. Then very carefully stick your tool alongside to clean out the crap. Be very careful because you don't want to break the insulator. And then use your air hose, clean out, and you're ready to go again to give a second life to your spark plug.